Hello everyone, myself Ovais. I am a student of Aligarh Muslim University studying in class 12th in Syed Hamid Senior Secondary School Boys. I am also a resident member of Allama Iqbal boarding house. I completed my 10th class from Aligarh Muslim University with securing 92.5% in my 10th class. And I also secured international rank 63 in International Talent Hunt Olympiad ITHO and my state rank 7th in that is in Uttar Pradesh and my school rank 1st. Today I am here particularly to discuss about the turtle tutorial. As I am a student of turtle tutorial studying from last year, that is I am studied whole my 11th class in turtle tutorial. First of all, I would like to discuss on the topic that why coaching is important. Basically, as we know that every year on increasing the student score 90 plus marks in CBSE in class 10th are about 1.25 lakh. So this is a huge number and 90 plus marks is not a easy. I think every student who got 90 plus marks in 10th class is a sincere and well studied student. Now finally selection after class 12th in such a large number of students depends upon how they studied in these 2 years, that is 11th and 12th, and with how much hard work and with the proper guidance they are studying. Because in 11th and 12th such a huge syllabus is there. If any intelligent student is, he would not be able to complete syllabus with all concepts and questions. For this guidance is necessary. This guidance is provided by the coaching in the Aligarh, that is turtle tutorial is providing the guidance and sometimes the motivation also which is necessary to study well. And as we can see in the turtle tutorial, there is a DPPs for every chapter which cover up the whole concept of whole chapter in just 50 to 60 questions, and by heart I can say that all concept will be covered in these 50 to 60 questions. Now at the time, due to the corona, as we can see, whole India is closed, all schools, all coachings are closed, but turtle tutorial in Aligarh from the first day of lockdown has started his online course for class 11th as well as for class 12th, so that the loss cannot be occurred for the student. This is for the beneficial of the student, and all DPPs and discussions are also done online so that there is no loss of study. So there is a difference between the recorded video lectures and the live classes. There is no doubt in our mind that can left behind after the class, because every doubt which is coming during the class we can ask clearly as in the normal class. And one of the major difference is that we can ask our any doubt on the WhatsApp group to any teacher of our group, that is from our coaching, all 24 hours. Just within a few seconds we get a proper solution of that problem. This is a better platform where we are studying, and we get DPPs, all assignments at proper time, and tests are also going on online, and the result are time to time accurately checked copies. And also during the time of study, whenever we are required inspiration, because inspiration and the motivation play a great role in the success of every student. Whenever we have a need of motivation, we call to our teachers, and all of them inspire us and make us to study well. I am a student of turtle tutorial. I want to complete my speech with these words: go turtles, because turtles always wins. Thank you.